this is your friend Andreas, is that correct?
It is.
So tell us more about...
So Haimer. Now, we've done a lot on Haimer now. People should really know what Haimer do, what Haimer are.
Assume I know nothing.
So around the machine, there's not really much Haimer don't do, from tool management systems to automation cells to tool holders. They've now brought on a cutting tool company, so there's a lot Haimer do. But I'm going to read this because this has come from Andreas, so I don't want to get it wrong. But at AMB 2024 in Stuttgart, they will be showing how modern tool management works with high quality process reliability components, end-to-end digitalization through a fully automated tool presetting and secure transmission of digital tool data to the machine. Striking highlights of the Haimer booth are fully digitalized tool rooms set up on a 30 metre squared. Is it 30 metre squared? Or whatever.
That's how big it is.
Yeah. And the market-ready version of our fully automated tool preparation cell, the Haimer Automation Cube. Now that is amazing because it comes with an 11-axis robot in it.
11 axis?
Yeah.
What would a standard robot be? 6?
Yeah.
Putting you on the spot there.
The digital tool room is a really quite a fascinating one because it is about, traditionally a tool room is not known to be digital. It's, you know, conventional and traditional methods of tool setting and all the rest of it. But this
so
actually,
a large machine shop, you've got a guy, here's my job today, and he'll give all the tools.
yeah, you might have a guy that literally his role is to do all of these tasks that's now done digitally. So from picking the tool, from doing like shrink fit and getting the actual cutting tool into the body, then moving into being balanced and set, and all of these things happen all within a digital, which they're calling a digital tool room. Which
and their automation cube.
And the automation, I guess, now is the next addition to that, which does it automatically as well.
All right, it's all automated. You turn up in the morning, you've got all your tools ready, off and running.
Yeah,
making your components.
The thing is, it's going to get rid of human error. We don't like to say it, but most problems come from humans. Yeah. So if you can get rid of all that, and also when you go home at night, you can leave this thing running all night, and you come in the morning and all your tools are set ready to go, and it's all done by...
People are going to say, oh, we're going to lose our jobs and things like that, and that is absolute...
No, because people don't lose their jobs, they just retrain to do something else in the factory. So, and obviously, we all know at the moment there's a skills gap, and it's great. I read something on LinkedIn the other day, and I can't remember who wrote it, but it was, the skills gap is not something to close, it's something to build a bridge over. So if you can automate some processes that a fully skilled engineer doesn't need to do, then they can concentrate on running the machine and making the parts. They don't have to do the labour intensive jobs of building tools, fetching materials, scanning things in and out. So instead of people worrying and saying, oh well, I haven't got enough people and this, that, you can automate with things like Haimer bring, and then your skilled engineer can just concentrate, because let's be honest, if your machine's not running, you're not making no money. You don't make money bringing material from one side of the room to the other. You don't make money building a tool. You make money by keeping that machine running.
And you've got trained engineers, skilled engineers doing what they love doing, not just loading a bill and putting a tool in. You know, guys, where your time is running on, it really is.